welcome back to Yvette's Life. Today we are here with some new Chick-fil-A items. I crinkled this up. Oh my goodness. Alright, so this is like, I guess it's like a pineapple dragon fruit lemonade. There's like 4 different drinks. One of them is kind of like the Sunjoy one, so they could add tea to the lemonade. There's also the frosty one, and I can't remember the other one. And you could get the diet version where they put the other lemonade. But I got the regular one. It's so pink. So cute. But we have that in the bag. We obviously have fries. We have to have fries in here. And we have our chicken sandwich. This is their new, what is it? Barbecue bacon sandwich. So as you guys can see, there's some barbecue, some bacon. What kind of cheese is this?
Gruyere, or what's it called?
I don't know. But it has a
Gouda?
chicken patty, lettuce.
I think they put Gouda on the chicken sandwiches.
This looks like a different. Well, this one has bacon, obviously, but no pickles this time, no tomatoes. Like a deluxe. So this one is kind of different. I don't know if Chick-fil-A's bread always looks like this, but it's so soft. I think it's like a brioche. But let's dig in. I didn't get bacon in that bite, so I'm gonna bite it over here. This doesn't taste like Chick-fil-A. I know, that's so weird. Do you want to try this?
Yeah, I'll try it. I want to try that drink.
It doesn't taste a lot like barbecue. Always dropping food on me.
Tastes like Carlos Jr.
Yeah?
I know she doesn't eat it, but if you've ever had like a double Western bacon, like the bun, the barbecue, bacon, the crunch. Or
This-
Hardee's if you live in different states.
I've never been to Hardee's.
The same as Carlos. It's a different name.
I don't know. But, let me open this.
I'm over here stealing her. I'll wait for you. You can try.
I get Chick-fil-A sauce. What sauce do you guys get? Comment down below. Dante likes Polynesian sauce. I was so surprised to see this meal was 18 something. I'm like, steakhouse? I'm kidding. Sorry guys, I'm indulging in some fries. But, time for this. Let's see. I'm nervous because, okay, am I the only one that this happens to? When I drink lemonade from Chick-fil-A, my throat hurts. So I don't really get it. Did they change their ice?
I think it's too acidic.
It's like a ball ice now. Can you mix this? Oh snap, that's sour. It's pretty good, but I think I would have enjoyed getting the Sunjoy more because it's very sweet and sour. Let's get Ambrose to try this because he's like, I want to try that drinky dink.
Yeah, let's see. Even for me, it's sour. It's good though. I like it.
It's the lemonade you always get.
What they add to it?
They add pineapple dragon fruit.
It's good. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I don't know that I like it too much. I don't think I'd get it again. But that's just my opinion. Like, it's not bad. I can see why a lot of people would like it. I feel like the sweetness to it just tastes like super artificial. Like, it tastes like something you could like take out of a soda. Like, I don't know. Can you help me explain my thoughts?
It's like pineapple. I don't know.
You could taste the pineapple. I don't know about the dragon fruit.
It reminds me of like a Dutch Bros drink.
It looks like a Dutch Bros drink.
Like in a sweetness, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. It's good though.
But I feel like at Dutch Bros you could get it like less sweet if you want.
Yeah, no doubt. They make like real lemonade over there and it's already sweet.
You're not even in there like that. You have to squat. You look exactly like Camila when you drink drinks.
What happened, Mama?
¿Quieres una papita, mamá? Ven, mami. Ven, mami.
She's like, yep, I do.
I'm gonna try dipping this in my favorite sauce. Let's see. Cause wasn't there like a TikTok where they were blending like barbecue and Chick-fil-A sauce and all these stuff?
Yeah, I like the sandwich too. It's good.
The sandwich is really good. I'd probably want to try the grilled one too, just because it is a healthier option. I'm not saying it's a healthy option. Healthier.
Another bite.
I feel like the taste of like the cheese and the bacon and all of that really stands out together and like they really go together.
Barbecue's good. It's not overpowering.
Like it doesn't taste too much like barbecue. I feel like the bacon taste does take over though, because it just doesn't taste like something that you'd get at Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. It's like both things are reminding me of like, that reminds me of Dutch Bros and this reminds me of like Carl's Jr.
You're not in it.
Or like a Wendy's sandwich, I don't know.
I don't know, I feel like it kind of tastes like a cheap sandwich.
The cheap sandwich.
Yeah.
Like, I don't really like it.
It kind of reminds me of Red Robin. No, I'm done with that. I cannot do that drink. Sorry, guys. I'll give that drink. This is my personal rating. Like I said, I can see how a lot of people like it. Like, I think it's a me thing. But I would give that drink like a 3 out of 10.
Really?
Yeah. This chicken sandwich, I'll give it like, I don't know, a 7.
I'll just rate it together. It's like a 6 or a 7.
You like both of them?
I like both of them, but it's nothing.
Nothing special.
Yeah. It's cool to see that. Their menu's always the same, and then it's like they add certain stuff here and there, depending on the holiday or something.
Sorry, he's not a YouTuber. He's like from the Powerpuff Girls. What's that thing where you could only see like the body?
Mm-hmm. Because I didn't like introduce myself in the intro this time, so I'm like a pop-in character on this one. I'm an add-on. Extra.
Celebrity. But that's gonna close out this video right here. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your notifications so you can be notified every time I do upload a new video. And I'll catch you in the next one.
There you go.